Right, okay, so just a quick run through of Royton Epic Reborn. So at the moment, when you load it up, you have your Spider-Man theme there with the hand here. Obviously, the fan art and the background art is all sort of Spider-Man. So just a quick run through the menus. So on the TV, you have some popular TV add-ons on there for your live TV needs. A lot of it is pretty much Cypher. There's other things here as well for you guys to look at, but all fully working to be fair, so feel free to have a look at that. So I'm just going to give you a quick example. Let's go to Cypher VIP IPTV. Okay, let's check the net.tv option. Since there's football on, let's go on BT Sport 1, which should be the Kilmarnock Rangers game. Let's go and find BT Sports 1. And what I'll do is I'll just quickly open and close it as well. So there we go, there's Chris Sutton. Close it. Some quick options there. So the idea of having more than one extra option for the live TV is because these are free add-ons. You need to make sure that you've, I suppose, have cover, because if one add-on goes down, at least you've got cover for other things as well for your live TV. So next section, you've got the 4K and 3D. So these are basically, it is what it says it is. Let's try one just to check. So as you can see, it's using Paul's World add-on. Depending on your device and how your code is set up, especially for acceleration, you may have issues with 4K, but this is fully working. So let's close it. Movies. So movies is using Neptune Horizon. So up here, you can select through the most popular ones. Of course, at the top you can see up here we've got it tells you how what it is, so on and so forth. Underneath the movies, you have basically some subheadings for filtering out what you want to watch. If you want to filter it through year or genres, you can do that. Also, you can select the word movies on the menu, and it should basically turn on menu, which offers the search option there as well. So if you want to search for something, so that's cool. So let's come back out. And that's exactly the same for TV shows. So at the top bit here, we've got most popular TV shows. Again, tells you at the top what it is as well on there, as well as that options at the bottom there. And of course, you can also select TV shows for more options as well. So we have the sports section. So especially for the guys in the UK, so the sports section can be hit and miss time because of 3 PM kickoffs and Premier League block in the UK. So you may suffer issues with that. Obviously, it's recommended if you do use a VPN to do that, and there is a VPN under add-ons. If you go to Royton APKs, you can download a VPN, free VPN as well. So I'm just going to try one of these for now, see if one of these are working. There's football on, so we might get a block out, so some of these might not work. I've not switched my VPN on because that would sort of be unfair. Because I don't want to show you it working and there's a block on, sort of thing. But I'm just selecting any one for now anyway. But say it may not work, may work. There we go. Now there's a City game coming out. Let me just let it sort itself out. Excellent. That's using Joker Sports. Alright. So again, we've also got live sports. So live sports, we have live sports. So got 3 PM live. Let me just check. Let's just open one. So there we go. Some Huddersfield. That game's on now. We've also got the Netherlands stream one below it as well. Dutch. Okay, so let me just let the stream sort itself. So there we go. So not bad, considering it's supposed to be blocked, a lot of streams as well, so it's great to see some of them working, which is brilliant. And also got some live events, sport events, live football and live pay-per-view, and more live content in there as well. So we also have the option for kids also. So kids, kiddo, add-on. We've got Disney stuff, classic kids, DC movies, Disney movies, DreamWorks, Marvel movies, Pixar, Universal Cartoon, Universal Studios, Walt Disney, and so on and so forth. All day there's quite a lot of options there. I'll just open up kids just so you can see. The kids might be the dodgy one, because I think that's the live TV one, or it is using LiveNet. I don't think this is going to work, but we'll try it anyway. Disney Channel USA, I'll try that. So that's not working. But something I will look at a later date. But obviously you've got like add-ons like Kiddo, which is pretty much new to the builds. But you do have some classic options there that you can pick, on there. So there's a lot there as well. And of course you've also got an option to authorize real as well to that add-on, which is great. Let's come out of that. Okay, we've also got music, so you've got like live music, MP3 streams is basically what it is. It streams MP3 online. Karaoke section, we've got a music category, we've got albums, US charts, UK charts, Vivo playlists, compilations, so on. Yeah, so brilliant, a lot of stuff there. And we have IPTV section. So IPTV section is basically just your add-ons, most popular add-ons anyway. So yeah, Wicked TV, so that is your Wicked TV subscription. So anyone that's thinking about using Wicked TV and wanted a free trial, I think there's a 48-hour trial at the moment, but that may change to 24. But there is fantastic other options there as well, so idea that. And also, as you probably notice in a wizard, there is Wicked TV builds available to download as well. So next one is Arcade. So Arcade, you have to download the RetroArch, and I'll be honest, it can be a pain in the backside to set up. However, on a phone or whatever, it's quite easy to do. I will try to do it on Android box, was proving a little bit difficult, but I got there in the end, so I can assist you if you need to, especially you need to use a controller. I use a fake 360 wireless controller, which works absolutely fine. It didn't work at first, but somehow it's working fine after a restart. So check that out. If you have issues with it, let me know. But I'll just click on Arcade. But on the sub menu before I press Arcade, there's just some popular consoles you can use. So you've also got this option. See here, I'm just going to find something. I'm just going to select. I'm going to try the one that's most popular because Sega Magus is. Let's use this. Exactly, Nintendo. So we've got top 50. One day I'm just going to go to the bottom. So Super Mario Bros. 3. Classic game this. So it comes up looking at this. So you've got your. I don't know what that's doing. That's because I'm scrolling on it. Oh, you see you go on it. Looks like that there. Oh no, it's changing itself. Gone crazy because I'm touching it. Right, okay, and obviously you've got some in the middle here, and you've obviously got the information here. So you can option download or launch or download, doesn't really matter. But however, what happens on here is when you're playing games, or once you finish, it tends to delete the ROM to try and save space. The ROMs are actually not on the build, so obviously it helps for storage. Of course, if it comes in a nuisance where you have to keep downloading ROMs. However, RetroArch can save your games for you, so you can save your state. So you re-download it and then launch your saved game, which should be a bit an issue. You can remove these keyboards as well, but you do that within RetroArch if you're using a controller, so you don't have this stupid graphic on the display, which is fine. So yeah, so you can see it's fully functional. So I'm not really going to play it, but I don't even know what the controls do. Press start. Oh, here we go. We've got it in there. There we go. Okay, so let me just come at this. So if I'm trying to remember how to come at this now. So let's start. I should have an exit somewhere. So let's see, you've got something there to save slot, save state. There it is there, and you got option to load it as well. Yeah, so there is that option there. So let's close. Close like that. Be easier. But yeah, so that's just a brief one there, and especially obviously got PS1 games. Remember the size of these. So if you are playing a lot of PS1 games, just remember they're going to take a while to download. But I can show you how to change the settings so you can get more on this. So the cache level will be higher, so you can download and keep more of them before they start getting deleted. Yeah, so there's loads there, yeah, so I'm not going to go all day looking at that. So add-ons, you've also got your add-ons stuff here, so you get Happy Chick Retro, that is basically a retro gaming APK, which you can use. You have video add-ons, you have music add-ons, program add-ons, and well as Royton APKs. Let me see, make sure this is set up right. Hopefully this should have, touch wood, a list of APKs that's on my server. So you have the Royton Media Center, which is my version of Kodi. You've also got Showbox there, you've got Wicked TV APK, Turbo VPN, Happy Check, Now TV, which is now called something else, can't remember what it is. LiveNet TV, Eternium, and Wardrobe, and you've got RetroArch right at the bottom there. So yeah, so that's just a simple aspect. You got your system stuff, the option to update your build. So if you want to change the build to something else, or you've accidentally pressed, obviously leave for later when a reminder comes up for a build update, you can just click on update builds. It'll load up my wizards and allow you to update, basically, in a nutshell. So I'm just going to show you that there. So you've obviously got Wicked TV for 18, it's mainly for the Xbox. You have your Royton Epic, Royton Krypton, which does need an update, which I'm holding off for now, and Simple Builds there also, as well as the other 17.6 for Wicked TV. And then the last couple, so you obviously power, obviously exit, and then you've got favourites. So if you have any favourite films, TV shows that you want to watch or are watching, you can store them in there, or even channels as well. You can put in there, because when you add your channels, you got there. Okay. Obviously, this is just something I put in there when I was creating the arcade section. So it's done. Alright guys, any questions? Make sure you let me know. Any issues or anything you'd like to see in the builds, I'll happily do my best to try and add it for you. Alright? Okay, thank you very much.